Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Krishna Educator. So today I am going to teach you some daily use sentences in English. आप बड़ों के साथ भी ये बात बोल सकते हो और छोटे बच्चों के साथ भी बोल सकते हो. It's very important for us. Okay, so friends, start without wasting time. First sentence is, there are lots of money. There are lots of money. Outside is a heavy raining fall. अभी भी बाहर हो रहा है. So okay, happy Navratri to all, my dear and near. नए नए सेंटेंस हम आपके लिए लाते हैं और उससे आप डेली यूज़ कीजिए और अपने फ्लुएंसी को बढ़ाइए. So kids, next sentence. Hello. 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 Okay, let's start. I will get some new clothes for you. Next sentence. अपना टिफिन बॉक्स बैग में रखिए. कीप योर टिफिन बॉक्स इन द बैग. लेट मी कट योर नेल. लेट मी कट योर नेल. नेक्स्ट वन. पुट दिस हैंकी इन योर पॉकेट. हैंकी मीन्स हैंकरचीफ. Next sentence. Ask before throwing. Ask before throwing. Okay. Next sentence. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't shout. Don't shout. Next, please don't say no. Next sentence. Stop answering back. Stop answering back. Next sentence. अपना व्यवहार बदलो. Change your behavior. Change your behavior. Next sentence. सब तुम्हारी वजह से. Just because of you. Next sentence. कह दिया तो बस कह दिया. I said it means I said it. Next sentence. गलती तुम्हारी थी. The fault was yours, not mine. Next sentence. अपना मुंह इस तरफ मोड़ो. Turn your face this way. This way, okay, like that. Next sentence. वे आमने सामने खड़े हैं तो कैसे आप बोलोगे? They stood face to face. They stood face to face. Next sentence. I actually have to do that. I actually have to do that. Next sentence. That's really a great idea. That's really a great idea. Next sentence. Everybody will get chance. Get chance. Next sentence. As soon as possible. As soon as possible. Next sentence. You surprised sentence. How selfish you are. How selfish you are. Next sentence. They were afraid to you. They were afraid to you. Next sentence. We all stood up at once. We all stood up all. Next sentence. We have to go back soon. Next sentence. क्या तुम इसे राज रख सकते हो? Can you speak it a secret? Next sentence. उसने तुम्हें कुछ बताया क्या? Did he tell you anything? Did you tell you anything? Next sentence. बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए क्यों? Don't you want to go out? Don't you want to go out? Next sentence. वह मेरी बात नहीं सुनेगा. He will not listen to me. या वह मेरी बात सुनेगा. He will listen to me. Next sentence. I will never do it again. Next sentence. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. Next sentence. I am glad to see you again. जैसे हम किसी से मिलते हैं, एक बार और मिल लिए, तो आपको इस तरह बोलना है. Next sentence. She did it all by self. Next sentence. How long has she been sick? How long has he been sick? Next sentence. You are always complaining. You are always complaining. Next sentence. क्या तुम्हारे पास कुछ करने के लिए नहीं है? Don't you have something to do? Next sentence. तुम्हें जो अच्छा लगता है ले लो. You may take anything you like. Next sentence. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा है. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Next sentence. मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहे हो क्या? Are you kidding with me? Next sentence. आपको कौन सा चाहिए? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Next sentence. कुछ और चाहिए? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Next sentence. क्या तुम इसे ठीक कर सकते हो? Can you fix it? Can you fix it? Next sentence. Drive carefully. Drive carefully. कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं. No need to say something. No need say something. Next sentence. To hell your money. To hell your money. Next sentence. वह देखने में कैसा था? How did he look like? Next sentence. आप समझते क्या है मुझे? What do you think I am? What do you think I am? Next sentence. तुम्हारी बातों में दम है. Your word have weight. Next sentence. वह बड़ा नेक दिल का है. He is highly good nature. He is highly good natured. Next sentence. वह गिरते गिरते बच गया. He narrowly kept falling. Okay? Follow me. What should I do? Next sentence. कल मेरा जन्मदिन है. तो कैसे आप बोलोगे? Tomorrow is my birthday. Birthday. Okay? Next sentence. Don't stress the matter further. Next sentence. उससे पूछने का कुछ फायदा नहीं. It's no use to ask him या her. Next sentence. It's no use to go there. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So friends, bye bye. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.